Before we continue, can you confirm some digits of your security number? I didn't catch that. Sorry. What's the second?
Never reveal your full security pin, even if you think it's your bank. Learn how to protect it.